So this week's word of the week for week number 19 is speed. Now the definition of speed is the measurement of how fast an object is moving. And there's actually a formula to measure how fast something is going. And speed is equal to the distance something covers and the amount of time it covers. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day. And I'll see you soon. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 19 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, we have jumping jacks. Number 2, we have side shuffles. Number 3, tap jacks. And number 4, bottom kickers. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 19. Exercise number 1 is jumping jacks. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your feet together, hands are at your side. You're gonna jump out, your feet go up wide, your hands are up, okay? Once you jump back in, hands go down. So just remember, when your feet are together, your hands are at your side. When you jump out, your hands are up, okay? I like to tell my students, if you guys wanna make a rainbow, if you guys wanna make a pretty heart, or if you guys would like to clap, you can do that as well, and come back in. Okay, completely up to you. Exercise number 2, we got side shuffle, so I'm going to go ahead and start over here on my left, and I'm just going to get down to a nice squat position, and I'm just going to shuffle 1, 2, 3, pretend I have a cone here, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, and I'm going to go back and forth, okay? 3 steps, 3 shuffles, tap as if you had an imaginary cone. Number 3, we're going to go down into a push-up plank position, okay? And these are called tap jacks. So what we're going to do is we're going to get into that push-up plank position. Our feet are going to be wide. And what you're going to do is kind of like similar to a jumping jack, but you're going to hold that plank position. So you're going to bring your feet in, you're going to bring your feet out, feet in and out, okay? These are called plank jacks. I'll go ahead and turn so you guys can see at the side angle. So again, feet out wide and then in, out, and in, all right? Again, those are called plank jacks. Last but not least, we got bottom kickers. Now, Mr. Garcia does have an injured knee, but I'm gonna do my best. So you're basically just gonna get your heels to your bottom, so you're just gonna go back like this, okay? So those are called bottom kickers. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout, and we'll begin shortly. All right, so here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, jumping jacks. Remember, feet are out wide, your hands are up. Once your hands go down, your feet are together. Great. Start for it. Fast 5 workout number 19. If you have not checked out 1 through 18, I highly recommend it. And you guys should do the clap, rainbow, heart, really up to you. All right, get ready for those side shuffles. Remember, 3 to your right, 3 to your left. 3, 2, 1. And go, let's go. 1, 2, 3, tap. 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 See if you guys can pick up the speed, okay? Side to side. Nice job, my friends. You're doing great. Tap jacks are coming up next. All right, let's go. Down into tap jacks. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Tap jacks. So again, you good. Open, close, open, close, open, close. Make sure you guys are breathing through your nose, out through your mouth. All right, on your feet, let's go, bottom kickers. Let's go. Finish it off. You want to pretend like you're sprinting. Get those arms going. Do it to the side. Keep your bottoms, let's go. Friends, you're doing amazing. Number just finished, my friends. And time, all right. 1 minute rest. Woo! This is a great little cardio workout. Again, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for joining me today for our Fast 5 workout number 19. Whew. I think by the end of the year we'll have like Fast 550 or more, something of that sort. So again, every week, you know, I post a brand new Fast 5 workout that you can do. Friends, family, siblings, cousins, aunts, whoever you guys have in your household. Highly recommend you do it with them. And it only takes 5 minutes, my friends. 5 minutes, all right. Woo! 10 seconds left. Shake it off again. We're gonna start with the jumping jacks. All right, here we go, jump. Start again, 3, 2, 1, and go. Try to do as many jumping jacks as you can. Challenge yourself, pick up your speed. Just make sure you have the correct form. My friends, just finish. Side shuffles, let's go. And we'll go down. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3. Notice how my feet are not crossing, I'm going side to side. They're called side shuffles. You guys can touch your ankles. Challenge yourself. Better. Do this exercise. Alright, we're going down into those plank jacks. Almost there, my friends. Halfway done. Halfway done with this round. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Remember, open, close. Try to maintain your back straight. Make sure your wrists are facing forward. They are not turned out. 3, 2, 1. On your feet, let's go finish it off. Bottom kickers. Let's go, chop. Pretend you're running full sprint. Let's go. Look at the trees, look at the clouds, look at the beach. We're right on the beach, let's go. Chop, 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 let's go. And time, my friends. Great job, you completed Fast 5 workout number 19. Give yourself a high five, pat yourself out on the back, and here's a virtual fist bump. Great job, my friends. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 19. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the exercises, what you guys thought about the workout, what was your favorite part about it. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget that you guys can also drop a comment down below what you guys would like to see in a future Fast 5 workout, or tell me what exercises you have been doing so that I can create a new Fast 5 workout, okay? So again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five the subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our newest and upcoming activities. All right, so today's do-it-yourself fun PE activity is called Fan-Tastic. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so for this fun game, Fan-Tastic, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to toss underhand or throw overhand and try to make it in a target. We're going to use 3 different objects today to do this awesome game of Fan-Tastic. Setup for the game Fan-Tastic, what you're going to need is 3 pool noodles. You're going to need some type of base, and you're going to use 3 different objects. Now, the 3 different objects I'm going to use today are going to be sock balls. Again, 2 socks, roll them up together, make a sock ball, any type of bouncy ball. And we are also going to use a pool noodle. So those are the 3 objects that we will be throwing into our rings over here. And this is going to be one Fan-Tastic game. So level 1, what I'm going to do is from my stand over here, from my fan, I'm going to count 5 to 8 steps away. If you're an older child or you have older students, I would say 8 feet away. If you have younger kiddos, make sure you have them about 5 feet away. I'm going to do it 5 for this demonstration. And then we're going to do this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn around. Now, we have 3 different pool noodles that we can choose to throw into. Now, if you make it in the red, that's worth 1 point. If you make it in the blue, that's worth 2 points. If you make it in our third one, or green, it's going to be worth 3 points. Now, for level 1, this is stationary. It will not move. All right, here we go. So for level 1, again, I'm going to have 1 minute to try to score as many points in my target. I can throw underhand or overhand. That's completely up to you. For this demonstration, I'll go ahead and do underhand, okay? Red is worth 1 point, blue is worth 2 points, green is worth 3. Okay, let's get ready to go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. All right, no points. Come back. Miss. As you can see, it's green because of the wind. It's completely fine. So far, I got 1 point. Missed it off the post. Oh, just missed. Oh. All right, that's 3 points. I got blues 2. All right, 5 points. Sorry, 6 points. 3, total of 6 points for level 1. Stay tuned for level 2. For level 1, I did an underhand toss. I'm gonna keep the point values the same. 1 point, 2 points, 3 points. Now this time I'm gonna use this ball as my throwing object, and I'm gonna actually throw it overhand. So make sure you guys use the critical elements to properly throw it correctly overhand. Step your opposite foot forward, point at your 10 target, place up right by your ear, point and follow through. Stay tuned for level 2. Level 2, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Just missed. Missed. Just missed again. As you can see, it's a great cardio workout, as well as working on skill. Oh, just missed. Oh. 3 points. Four points. Oh, just missed. And time. So, level 2, total of 4 points. Stay tuned and I'll show you level 3 in just a moment. Now, for level 3, what we're going to do is we're going to use this pool noodle and act as if it's going to be a javelin. Still 5 to 8 feet away, depending on you. You're going to step, point at your target, bring it up to about your ear level, and follow through. And your goal is to try to make the pool noodle through any of these rings. Values still count the same. We're going to go 1, 2, and 3. At the end of the game, we'll see how many points I collect. 3, 2, 1, go. Just missed. Ah, That look good. Go for that 2-pointer. Just missed again. And time. Have somebody available to play with you. What you can do is a bonus round. Yes, you heard that right. Bonus round. So what we're gonna do is you'll get any of the objects you want. Sock ball, regular bouncy ball, or pool noodle, okay? And what you're gonna do is have that individual spin this, spin the fan, and while the fan is spinning, you are gonna try to throw it overhand or underhand and make it inside of the rings. Point values stay the same, making it red 1, blue 2, green 3. So that's a great challenge that you guys can do. So if you have any questions, please drop a comment below. All right, so Eli's here. He's gonna help me. He's gonna be my spinner. Again, he's just gonna spin it, and while he's spinning, I'm gonna try to throw and make it inside any of these rings. Bonus round. Now again, Eli's gonna spin it. If I make it in red, 1 point. If I make it in blue, 2 points. If I make it in 3, green points. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, 3 points. Oh, 2 points, 5 points. Miss. 1 more point. That's 6 points. Oh, 3 more. That's 9 points. Oh, missed. Oh, just missed. Oh, 2 more. 11 points. And time. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Fan-Tastic. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Again, don't forget to use our hashtag #ThePESpot. And we'd like to see how you guys are modifying these games to meet your students' needs. So please, again, use that hashtag #ThePESpot so we can definitely check out your guys' videos as well. As always, at ThePESpot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.